Hi everyone, this is Letty with Simply Titles here with another video on creating an Easter title. So I've selected here a couple of images from Cricut Design Space. Here I have some tulips with multiple layers and my text, Easter. I am going to be working with this one first. This Easter title has several cutouts that come with it. So I don't want to have my letters or the inside of my letters cut out with all these little images here. So what I'm going to do is go to my contour feature. And what the contour feature does is it gives you the ability to hide certain things within the image that you don't want to have cut out. So in my case here, I'm going to hide all contours because it'll be faster for me to select the parts of the image that I want cut out instead of having to click on every individual little circle or leaf or heart. So, and on the right side, I am going to go ahead and select what I do want to keep. So I'm going to the EASER. And then also on here in the actual image, I am going to click on the parts of the image that I do want to cut out. And this will give me more detail in my text here. So here we go. This one's taken care of. I will change the color to a blue, but I want more like an aqua blue or green. So I'm going to go to the advanced feature here and just pretty much blend my own color here. I want it to be, there we go, aqua green. All right. So that's done, and my tulips have multiple layers, and obviously I don't want them to be brown. Tulips are brighter. So I'm going to go here to my layers panel on the right hand side, and I am going to select, first of all, the stem. I'm going to change the color to a green color, and that color is good for me. I am also going to go again to the right hand side and select my leaves and change them to a lighter green. So let's see, do I like that? Yeah, that's fine. So the flowers are not going to be brown. I'll go again to my layers panel and select the tulips. There's two groups of them. So the one that has a 2, I'm going to change it to red. And the single tulip, I will change to a yellow color. There we have it. And in here, I don't want my tulips to be in the background. I prefer to have them in the front. So what I'm going to do is I grabbed the tulip image. I'm going to go to the top and the arrange feature and bring them to the front. And now I will place them where I prefer, or where I like them best. Work with my title there. I am going to grab all of my images, and this is where we're going to go to the offset feature, and a new window comes up. This is the sliding bar, and this is where you can change the measurements manually of the blue outline that becomes proportionally bigger or smaller when moving your slider bar or by changing the measurements manually. When you first open up your offset feature, I'll show you here. When you first open up, when the window pops up, it's defaulted to 1/4 of an inch. For me, that's a little bit too big of a background. So I like mine to be smaller so I can have more detail in my text and my image. So I am going to choose the 0.111 and I am going to hit apply. I am going to change the background color to white. And there we have it. I like to add more than one layer to my shadow. So I am going to grab the whole image again, including my first layer, and go again to the offset feature. And it keeps the measurements of what you used first of all in the outline. I am going to apply again, and I am going to change the color once again to my liking there, and there we have it. I like to group my images together in case I move them around, or it's easier to move around on my mat. And we're ready to send to the mat, to my Cricut here. Here are my layers. Okay. So I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. And if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.